picture. Look it out. Let's get it. Civic is getting 2010 Civic, 222,037 miles. Rippin and gettin. Skipping and flipping and spitting. Nobody's on the highway 275 west or east. And I needed to get fuel so I can make it into work tomorrow. Because somebody's got to pay the bills, right? So I was hoping to get a Monster or something like that, but every gas station's closed, and luckily Speedway I was able to get fuel because I think UDF sucks.